ChatGPT and Photoshop hybrid poster. Hi guys, in this video we are going to combine ChatGPT and Photoshop to create an epic wall poster. So as we have said before, that AI tools are not here to replace us but are here to empower us. In this video we're going to showcase that AI are here to empower us. First of all, I have a lot of AI generated images, so we're going to combine them inside Photoshop to create the poster. So we're going to use only these images. We are just using these AI generated images, ChatGPT generated images. We're going to combine them inside Photoshop to create an epic wall poster. So first of all, inside Photoshop, we need a background for our poster. Let's go with this one. It looks like it's okay. It's already the background, but it's not okay because we want to create an epic wall poster, and absolutely we should need the maybe something like flying jets over here. We should need like a completely ruined street background for the battlefield environment. Maybe we should need also some bulldozers just to make the ruined street background of our poster. Try to manipulate in any way so as to create just the ruined seat background for the battlefield environment. So after here now we want to place here some soldiers. We're going to select in the AI generated images, and here we go with this picture. It's okay, let us try to blend it with the background. From here we're gonna need one image of a soldier over here on top of this one. So to make it nice and to make it detailed, we're going to put this image over here and remove the background and blend it with the overall background like this one. It looks really amazing. And here now, guess what? We should need the bulldozer over here. And now this one also we're going to blend it with this side over here. Like this one is really amazing. And from here now we need to create the nice place where we're going to write our text. I don't know, I don't have exact idea of what text we're going to place here because it's just the everything from the mind. So I write here my name, KYL, creative indestructible empire, and this central aligned text is I'm gonna place this one here. From this point we are going to merge all layers into one layer. So I'm going to hit Alt Control Shift and E in order to merge all layers in one layers. And from here we're going to camera raw filter and try to adjust some little things, for instance exposure, some hue, saturation, and to make our poster catch and nice. So from here let's go with some filters over here, and this one looks nice, and here we go. Up to this point you must agree with me that AI is here to empower us. So keep making stuff, keep creating, keep pushing your image, and use different AI tools, combine them with Photoshop, combine them with Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign to make catch designs, to make extraordinary designs. So here we go.